Advaita Prabhu, and all glories to all the devotees of Lord Chaitanya. During the last part of Lord Chaitanya's life, he resided at Jagannath puri along with his personal devotees and enjoyed the congregational chanting of the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. In the daytime, he chanted, danced and visited the temple of Lord Jagannath. One day, Govinda, the Lord's personal servant, went in great jubilation to deliver the remnants of Lord Jagannath's food to an elderly devotee, Srila Haridas Thakur. Although born in a Muslim family, he was a pure devotee of Lord Krishna and always chanted the holy names Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Govinda.
Haridas, please rise and take your Mahaprasad.
Oh, I shall fast today because I have not completed my rounds. But you have brought the Mahaprasad. How can I neglect it? Let me take some Mahaprasad. Thank you very much.
My dear Haridas, how is your health now?
My dear Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, please offer my obeisances. Please accept my obeisances. My Lord, my body is well, but my mind and intelligence is not well.
What is your disease, my dear Haridas Thakur?
My dear Lord, my disease is that I am not able to complete my rounds.
Haridas, now you have become very old. At this point of time, you don't have to chant so many rounds and you don't have to follow all the regulatory principles so strictly.
My dear Lord, kindly hear my plea. I was born in a degraded family and I am both unseeable and untouchable. But you have accepted me as your servant and you have delivered me from the miserable condition of life and raised to the Vaikuntha platform. My dear Lord, I have a desire from very long time. I think quite soon you are going to end your pastimes in this material world. My dear Lord, I wish that I don't want to see your ending pastimes. Instead, I would like to give up my body in your presence. My hand should be catching your lotus feet and my eye should be seeing at your moon-like face. And my mouth should be chanting your holy name, Shri Krishna Chaitanya, Shri Krishna Chaitanya. And in this way, I would like to give up my body in your presence, my Lord.
My dear Haridas Thakur, you are a pure devotee of Lord Shri Krishna. You are already liberated. There is nothing that you cannot get it. Whatever you desire, Krishna will definitely fulfill. But by the mercy of Lord Shri Krishna, I got your association. Now, if you are also leaving me, it is very painful.
My dear Lord, do not create this illusion. I am so fallen and you can uplift me. If an insignificant insect dies, what is the loss?
My dear Haridas, now it's time for me to go for my noon duties. I'll take the darshan of Lord Jagannath and very soon come back.
Yes. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram, Hare Hare.
My dear Haridas, what is the news?
Prabhu, whatever mercy you can bestow upon me.
Haridas, you are so humble. You are such a pure devotee of Lord Shri Krishna. You are showing so much of humbleness that even though you are not allowed in the temple of Lord Jagannath, you are satisfied by seeing the chakra of the Lord. You are daily worshipping the Tulsi Maharani with so much of love and devotion. And you are chanting every day 3 lakh names of Lord every day without any fail. So, Haridas Thakur, your humbleness is magnanimous. Whoever comes in touch with Haridas Thakur, they become devotees. He is just like the touchstone. That Ramachandra Khan, he wanted to detain Haridas Thakur, and he sent one prostitute. And that prostitute could not do anything to him because he was a pure devotee of Lord. Instead, the prostitute herself became the devotee, and she also started chanting the holy name of the Lord. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And the tolerance that Haridas Thakur has is unlimited. When he was being beaten in the 22 marketplaces, he never blinked his eyes. He has tolerated everything. And when he dances during the Rath Yatra festival, it was a wonderful festival for all eyes. Haridas Thakur, there is nobody equal to you. You are really a great devotee of Lord Shri Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.
Haridas Thakur, taking the dust off the feet of all the devotees present and putting it on his head, he began to chant the holy name of Shri Krishna Chaitanya again and again. He made Shri Chaitanya sit down in front of him. He fixed his eyes like 2 bumblebees on the lotus face of the Lord and held the lotus feet of the Lord on his chest. As he drank the sweetness of the face of the Lord, tears constantly glided down from his eyes.
Shri Krishna Chaitanya, Shri Krishna Chaitanya.
In this way, he gave up his life air and left his body.
Shri Krishna Chaitanya.
Lord Shri Krishna, being so merciful, he gave me the association of Lord Haridas Thakur. But being independent, Lord Krishna has taken him away. I could not do anything in this man. Haridas Thakur is like the jewel. He is the jewel, he is the crown of this material world. Haridas Thakur, whoever witness this festival of passing away of Haridas Thakur will definitely get the love of Godhead. Shila Haridas Thakur ki Jai! Shila Haridas Thakur ki Jai! Shila Haridas Thakur ki Jai!
We have the cast, Haridas Thakur, Abhishek Prabhuji, request you to come on stage. We also have Haridas Thakur, Abhishek Prabhuji, Govinda, Karunanmai Nimai Das, Lord Chaitanya, Subhuti Damodar Das, and all the devotees. Thank you.